It's a beautiful day out. Let's go flying. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I just want to thank all you that watch Jeff's channel, that come over and giving me the positive comments and support to keep on learning to fly and get better and better. Do appreciate it. So you know, I ordered a second battery for this plane. It was from the manufacturer, but the one that came with the plane has the little servo lead that plugs in. This battery does not. There's an adapter, and I forgot it. I forgot. Oh, well, I guess it's just gonna be a one battery pack day then. Oh, I hate when that happens. It is a beautiful day. Really don't get too many of these right now as it gets cooler, man. There's like no wind. Well, a little bit, just a tiny bit. Not bad at all. It's really been nice having somebody like Jeff take the time, take his plane, you know, do a buddy box thing and get out there and fly. It just really helps you build the confidence to come out here, kind of do this by yourself, because I was about at a point I was going to give up. Now granted, maybe this space here is just a little too tight for a beginner flying something large like my apprentice, but you know, I don't know, I could probably do it now, but now they put a flagpole there, they put that there. Now I know there's people with more experience be like, oh yeah, it wouldn't be a problem, but I don't feel comfortable. I'm still in between safe mode and intermediate mode with it, so I don't really get the bank angles like you would. Whoa, that's what I get for throttling down too much. You know, it doesn't turn as sharp in safe mode as it does in regular mode, so I'm working my way there. I switch in between. When I get nervous, I flip it back to safe mode. So I'm working on it between that and the simulator. This plane here is really twitchy. Well, I kind of play around with it because look, you can really just snap some turns. It's kind of fun. I think this plane here has really helped me to advance into the other modes, because this safe mode here is a lot more aggressive than what like Horizon Hobby. Because look at that, woo! I'm pretty sure if I didn't have safe on this thing, or whatever they call it, I probably would have just spun that on the ground. But yeah, this is an excellent plane for helping me progress, because this thing you know, I'm flying it a bit faster than I ever did some of my planes. So, you know, it's all, you know, progress. Work on it, fly faster, start progressing into some more moves. I don't know if I can fly this thing out of safe mode, because this thing gets, well, that's where you just have to work on going easier with the controls. I just start having too much fun and start yanking this thing around because I know it won't crash. I do love flying though, and I got a new plane. I just sent Jeff a text, see if maybe tomorrow we can't meet up. I really want him to maiden that plane, make sure everything's working well before I take it up, because I don't want to like crash it because something's wrong. Because you never know, what if safe mode doesn't work and thing takes off like my little sport cub. At least I know he can handle getting it, flying it without all that assistance. So. I tell you, this is relaxing, man. It's relaxing. Used to be really stressed and my heart was pounding when I came out here to fly. But now, now I just find the enjoyment in this. Don't want to kill the battery, so let's throttle it back some. Ah, this thing's a great flyer. I like it. All right, the wind's picking up. That's why it's, whoa. Gotta get a little more throttle. Yeah, with this plane here, when you turn, you do have to give it elevator. It's not kind of like the Horizon Hobby Safe Mode where it gives a little elevator when you turn. Like I said, this one, the safe mode's a little bit more aggressive. I mean, it does save, so I could turn like that and just get crazy, but and that's just aileron. That's full aileron. If I give it elevator, look, it just meow. Yeah, this is an awesome size plane for this kind of environment. Like I said, could I fly the Apprentice in here? Probably. Might be a little bit more stressed, because it does, with me in safe mode, it takes a lot of space to get that thing to turn. This is why you have multiple planes. See, this thing's teach me that turn and elevator control at the same time. So if I turn like that, see, it just starts nosing down. So it's good, it's good. Whoa. Wow. Meow. See if we practice a landing here. Look at it glide. Ooh. Yes! Awesome. Ah, heck yeah. Try landing it with some power on. Yeah! Heck yeah. Ah. I think the battery might be getting weak. It's not taking off as good as it used to. You think I should dare take this out of safe and see how I do? Get some altitude. And what do they say? Fly like 3 mistakes high. Alright, I'm not in safe now. Whoa. Alright, I'm putting it back in safe. I don't like it. Well, screw it. Let's just do it. Gotta learn sometime. Whoa. Man, this plane is squirrely. Man, just need very little inputs on this thing. Wow. I'm doing it. This is 100% me. No assistance. Whoa. Alright, I just kicked it on. I'm getting a little nervous. Hey, that's all I can do. Like little doses at a time. Little doses. But yeah, Jeff's Apprentice, I was flying it totally in intermediate mode. And I was doing pretty good with it. Come by nice and low. Meow. I think earlier on I might have panicked and crashed at that. I started getting a little nervous because of the poles, but yeah, I was able to keep it together. I try to freak out so much. Ah, loving it, man. It's just relaxing. Yeah, I think the battery's about had it. It's yeah, it's not really. All right, before it totally dies on me, let's bring her in. Look at that. Every landing I've done today, I haven't popped the wings off. Granted, it's nice. It's not a lot of wind out here, but oh, this is a good plane, man. I'm really happy. Oh no, look, I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. I popped the wings. Ah, oh well. It doesn't really take much to pop these things off. It's a safety feature they built in, so if you do crash, stuff doesn't break. This is a really cool plane. It was inexpensive too. All right, everyone, hope you enjoyed the flight. Thank you for joining me in these RC flying adventures. Hope you subscribe and join us for some more. Don't forget, I got a new plane coming up. Should be meeting with Jeff, have him solo it, so make sure it's 100%, and then it'll be interesting. It's a pretty cool plane, I think. So like, shares, comments, appreciate. Please subscribe if you haven't. Links down below if you are interested in what I use. If you want some discounts for some merchandise, helps out the channel a lot. Appreciate it. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.